little bit more about the costume. How long did you make it? Hindi how long it is, ha? How long did you make it? 9 a.m. hanggang 9:30 a.m.
30 minutes?
Today?
We took 30 minutes to talk about that. Oh, he not play.
One more thing. Pinili-list mo siya sa namin mo.
Arlo, akin! Arlo, akin lipstick!
Ayun.
Okay, let's go interesting. Okay, since my turn now, I really want you to do this since the beginning of the rap. I want you to bring the two gaps together, please.
Yeah,
Notice the gap and redemption gap, yes. And I have to stay between you two. Yes. Okay. So, all you gap fans out there, may give kayo. I have a gap sandwich. So, masarap siya.
Say what?
Okay, so I want to ask you two, what made you pick, your team, what made you pick Brothers Sister Gap? Very low. So it was because Dallas Wizard was more her thing, right? Okay, let's move on to Redemption Gap. Okay, what made you pick Redemption Gap about for tonight? I find Letter really hot. Okay, so she finds Letter hot. Guys, take note, she finds Letter hot. So thanks so much again. Brothers Sister Gap, Redemption Gap.
Gap sandwich.
Repeat ka lang.
Ako, I was interview, my favorite.
Sino ang
Si Alan Ibo. Why Alan Ibo? Because she has always been the inspiration to learn to touch the dance. Okay, so what among her songs what is your favorite? And can you give a little So I'm sorry to put you on the spot, pero sige, what's your favorite song?
Go ahead!
Okay, guys, round of applause to Nico Amano. Listen.
Ako naman, gaganti ako sa inyo. Dito lang.
Kasi make sure that you got it down.
Walang jowa. Walang jowa. Okay.
Okay, sandwich ka rin.
Oh, yes! Sandwich ako. Okay. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi. Sige, sino nag-initiate ang first idea na ganyan ang costume niya? Why? Nanti. Ikaw naman. Magkano minaya mo? Mapilitan eh. Sige nga, gagawin ako. Walang makakalit ha. Magagalit ang boyfriend ko.
Okay, guys, give it up for Anne Catherine here, Catherine and Hal.
Thank you. Bella!
Okay, Ellie, it's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn again. Let's go with the people from here and there. Dito tayo. Ako sa gusto ko sa
you get all the fun.
So now we'd like to invite the ladies from Dallas, Mr. Kami and Nana.
Okay. Ayaw mo yun eh. Hindi ko alam ko eh. Yan lang. I love you. Yan lang. So, number 8. So, number 1. Same question. Sino nag-give the idea to wear this one top? Alam ko, ito lang nasasalita eh. Sabi ko na. Siya. Yung pinakamaganda. Ayun, okay. So, how long did you make the costume each? 1 week. Yung sa kanya, 1 year. Two weeks.
Oh my God.
Yourself. 365 days. Hindi, okay. Tuloy na ako. Okay, how long will you wait? 1 week din. 1 week, 2 weeks.
So, total,
How much? So, we're talking about for each costume, how much?
Why not a private question?
Credit card. Installments. Anyway, let's give a round of applause to our cosplayers. Maybe one more close to our media.
Thank you so much to our cosplayers. Later tonight, we will be announcing the winners. We have 2 winners. One will be the All Level Society pick to be picked by the moderators of All Level Society. The other winner will be the crowd favorite. So please, when you call them on stage, please give your loudest applause and cheers for your favorite cosplayer to help her win the crowd favorite award.
Right. And everyone, papakilala namin sa inyo ang mga judges. You'll be surprised who's one of the judges.